Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I've got a really cool niche that you can go after making money on YouTube. And then I also have a really awesome tool that nobody knows about that I'm actually going to show you. I picked this up and then there's a lifetime deal for it. So you want to get in and grab this while you can, because this is going to end up being a monthly subscription service. And I don't know how long the lifetime discount is going to be available. So a lot to learn in this video. I'll try to be as quick as I can, and let's jump in. So you can see right here on the screen, I have peaceful music. Now, if you just type in peaceful music, peaceful piano music, stuff like that, it's going to be extremely competitive and it's going to be hard to get into that niche. But when you start typing in more keywords like peaceful music for mind relaxation piano, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 keywords is part of that long tail keyword. vidIQ scoring this at 24, but more importantly, I'm going to come down here. They do give you a music therapy. You could use music therapy. A lot of people would use this peaceful music and relaxation piano music for therapy. So music therapy is a really good keyword right here. But if you scroll down, you'll see that TubeBuddy is scoring this as excellent. So what I like to do is kind of look at both tools and I kind of meet in the middle between the two of them and then use some logic right here. I mean, obviously, when we're looking at here, a way to get into this is to just go live with your video. So you can get some people, you're going to be able to rank at the top for this keyword that's being searched for a lot. And when you go live, you're able to rank up here pretty high. So that's one strategy you can use. But when I come through here and just seeing, this one has 8 million, 900,000, 700,000. Those are going to be hard to get into. But what is really cool about this is that you want to be able to make similar videos. And then the way that you're going to get into this is by being a suggested video on one of these videos here. And if someone clicks on one of these right here, so let's just go and open that one up. We click on this. Then when you look over here to the right side, this is where you want your video to end up. And this is where other people will click on this and find you, right? So we'll come back over here. But when we come down here, actually, you can look right here when we just keep scrolling, that right here ranked about 12 to 15, they only have 1,000 subscribers right here. So this is kind of your breakthrough premiering now. So this proves my point that somebody that just has 1,000 subscribers, beautiful, relaxing music, stress relief, morning, you could throw in that therapy keyword right here, and 785 people are watching this right now, and they only have 1,000 subscribers, and I guarantee you that half of their subscribers are not watching this right now, okay? So this is very powerful. So that's a way in. That's the way that you get into the niche, right? So how are you going to do this? How are you going to make this music? Because the problem with this is copyright, putting up the videos and being able to do this with copyright free music. So you don't get copyright strikes and so much more. So when you go over to Google and you type in royalty free music, a lot of times what you'll discover is that the music that you're getting, you still get copyright strikes on it, right? So it's what's happening is that they're giving you the permission to use the music, but they're going to claim the copyright on it so they can get paid for the music. And so what we want to do in this strategy, I've got something really cool for you, is we want to make our own music that not one single soul on the earth has used before. How do you make music if you're not a composer? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. We're going to come over here to a software called SoundDraw. Now this just hit the market. It's literally been out for only 2 weeks on the market. It is a Japanese-based software. They had over $500,000 in production on this project to build this software. It is super cool. We're going to come through here. I'm going to show you how you can do this. It's so fun to make this music. And it is using artificial intelligence, AI, to create these wonderful sounds. And I think you'll be blown away at the actual quality in music that 9 times out of 10, I've been fooling around with this, that I don't even have to mess around and adjust anything, because the music that it spits out is just so good. The AI algorithm on the software is amazing. But before we do that, what I want you to do is click the link below if you are interested in this. And even if you're not going to build a YouTube channel like this and try to profit from this, if you just want background music for your other YouTube channels, or if you're a business and you need corporate type business or music for your YouTube videos, and you want to be able to get music that's not just from the YouTube sound library, then this is a great offer for you. So click that link below and go check this out. It is on AppSumo right now, and they have one offer. It's $69. They've got 5 tacos, 22 reviews. Okay. So it is really, really good. It's a customized AI generated royalty-free music for original tracks that make your project stand out. So they are not going to claim copyright on this. So it is monetizable. So if I come back over here and I'm just going to open up a new tab real quick and SoundDraw. We're going to come over here and I'm going to show you, if we scroll to the very bottom, they've got a really sleek looking home page. And then also when you come over here, you can actually see they have I haven't even used the Google Chrome extension. Don't know what that's going to be. And then they also have Premiere Pro and After Effects plugins as well. Super, super cool stuff. But if we scroll down here, there's some important stuff that you need to know about this that I think will be intriguing to you. They have some samples and all that kind of good stuff. But look, well, one, you're going to have to pay monthly for this if you don't pick up the one-time lifetime deal, right? So I really strongly suggest getting the lifetime deal. And then look right here, YouTube okay, monetization on your channels and videos okay, commercial use okay, podcast okay, gamer okay. So this is ready to go. So go over, click the link below, go to SoundDraw, and you can go check it out. And you can create unlimited AI generated audio. Now let's go and I'll show you how to do this. So this is super cool. You can actually, they have 3, 6, 9, 12 main categories. Jingles coming soon. That's really cool. I'm actually thinking of opening up a Fiverr service when Jingle comes out because we are able to sell these. You're just going to want to be specific in there. Now SoundDraw will own the copyrights to this, but you can monetize this. So it really doesn't matter that they're claiming the overall copyright. That's no different than when you do a book publishing and the publisher always has the actual, it's where the source came from, right? So whoever owned the copyright for it. But really, are you going to be able to get paid royalties? Yes, absolutely. You can make vlog music, corporate, games, talk BGM, advertisement, happy, exciting, peaceful, emotional, relaxing, and dramatic. So relaxing and peaceful is where I've been spending some time. When we come back over here and we start looking at this peaceful music for mind piano, okay, so I'm going to come back over here. Now, what I did was, what you can do is, you can see I have ambient piano right here, is already here, and I'll show you how I got to this point, but we can go and just start sampling some of these. And you can fast forward. And if at any point it gets too loud or they add drums or something like that, then we can customize that by going edit the music. And then there's all these blocks that show up. And when you push play, it's going to do the first 15 seconds. And then the drum comes in right here. So we'll see, like, what I would want to do right here is maybe just even take off the drums, or we can take that drum and just double click it and it completely comes off. If you want to just take the drums off right there, then it'll come off. And then you can push keep and save the music. You can come over here to volume and you can change the volume for any different part of the music, of the compilation or of the composition. So the melody, the backing, the bass, the drum, the front end, the front. And then also you can change the key. This one's in key of 3, but you can change 3 major keys. Instruments, you can actually add more instruments or delete instruments from the track. And then beats per minute is super cool. Now it depends on what the algorithm has put together, will determine how high and low these beats per minute will go. So 70, we could even slow this down to 60 if we wanted to. So I just push 60 and then we can go and sample it out and check it out. So it's done loading. We'll push play. So this would be for a different type of like meditation or relaxation. You can tell it slowed it down quite a bit. And if this is the track that you're going for, then great. Super slow. I actually like the 70 beats per minute, so we're going to change it right back to 70. And there you go. So much things that you can do. It's super easy. It's just the click of a button. I mean, like right here, drums, we can just take off the drums by clicking it. There's different shades. The darker the shade, the higher, more amount of drums. So what you can do is you can just come and sample these. Look, now this one's going to be 120 beats per minute. Picks up a little bit at the end. Just listen to that. It's artificial intelligence, okay? So what we can do is I'm going to show you what it looks like. When you log into SoundDraw and you get an account, you can come over here and you can just go click on peaceful, right? Then you can come over here to tempo and you can say, I just want to look for normal and slow, okay? And then you can just click off that. Now select instrument. I want piano because we are looking at piano right now. So I'm going to take off the acoustic and strings, electric, a whistle. We're going to take off voice as well. And then we're going to just leave those ones on there and then select the genre. So obviously we don't want hip hop on this. We don't want rock, disco, funk, and we can take off some of those as well. And then all you would do is just click create music. Now it goes out there and it creates 15 AI generated music tracks every time that you click create music. It actually goes out there and creates all this. So like right here, tropical samba, you can push play. So it goes into another level of creating different types. So this is where you're going to have your parent theme, but then it has all these sub topics or sub themes inside of here, right? So I'm going to go ahead and push clear here. I'm going to go with relaxing music right here. And we will just click create music. It'll go out there. It'll create 15 more. It's super fast and it's going to give you a sample, a wide range. Here's an ambient piano right here. It's 130 beats per minute. So I'm going to estimate that it's going to be too fast for me, but here we go. So that's what you're looking for, is that ambient piano music. It's relaxing. This one works good. Now, when you find a track that's working for you and that you like, now check this out. All you have to do is you can click edit the music. You can download this immediately and it'll just download to your computer and you can go use that. You can keep this and then you'll just go up to keep and it'll have all your files that you're keeping, all the music tracks. But here's the cool thing about this. Ambient music, you can click here, create similar music. If I click this, now watch what happens. It's going to go out there and create 15 brand new AI generated music tracks that are specific to ambient music. I mean, just imagine, this is 15 videos that you can create. Now you can go in here and look for the different beats per minute. There's a nice sampling. We can go to 72 beats per minute. It's really nice. Okay. So then what we would do is just push the download button. We have 15 tracks here and none of these are, you're going to be able to monetize these. And also you're not going to get any copyright strikes. You're not going to have any more issues with music, right? So it's going to go out there. It's going to download. We're at 24%. And once it's done downloading, we're going to head over here. I'm going to go to WeVideo. I'm going to go with an horizontal, 16:9 real quick. We'll start editing. I'm going to use WeVideo, but you can use any editor you want. And then I'm going to come in here and then I'm actually going to go ahead and just go to stock media and I'm going to go to what we're going to do is just peaceful. We'll type in peaceful, see what shows up. And this is great. We'll just grab some peaceful stuff like this, just like so. Grab some peaceful stuff. And then maybe grab some more stuff. And then what you can do is we've got a full minute there. Now I'm going to go up here to peaceful and I only want to go with images, and I'll tell you why, because the video gets really big when you're making these hour-long videos. It's going to take a really long time to render these. So it is nice to fill this in with some images as well, just to be some more peaceful type images. Like that. And then once you do that, you can do a pan and zoom effect if you wanted to, but then you can grab this and grab that whole thing and then do a control copy, come over here, control paste, and then There you go. Now you'd build this out, right, and do a full hour of this. You can do an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, kind of follow the theme of what the videos are being created for you. When that is downloaded, we'll go back to my media inside this folder. Here's the track. I'm going to go ahead and drag this, and you can see I've already done a couple of videos on one of my channels that I've started, and it's going to upload real quick. And once it's done uploading, we can go and drag this over and put this in here, right? And then you can push play and check it out. This is music that you created with SoundDraw, that's artificial intelligence created. So no other person on YouTube, no other YouTube channel is going to have this music that sounds like this. There's no more worrying about copy strikes, and you're going to be able to go out and create unlimited amounts of music type videos and hit all these different niches. You can do the gaming niche and the study niche, lo-fi study, relaxing, peaceful therapy, disco, funk, all kinds of music. Millions of searches per month on YouTube are being searched for. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you liked this video, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more content like this. Great ideas. Click the link below. Go get this before. I mean, they could take it down today. So I would go pick this up for only $69 one-time fee, and you can download 50 tracks per day. They say it over here. You can download up to 50 songs per day. I mean, you're not going to be creating 50 videos per day, so you're not going to need more than that anyways. You could, use this for all your projects. You can use this for specific YouTube channels and so forth. So go out there and take action on this. I'll see you in the next video.